Good morning, grade 3s. This morning you're going to be designing your own advert for some masks that you're going to be selling. So I'm going to walk you through how to create your own advert, and I've used an example of a pencil case. Okay, so we're going to zoom in a little bit and I'm going to explain to you what you need to put in your advert. Okay, so here's an example of the funky case, pencil case advert that I've made. And you've got to include the same things but using your masks. So number one is your product needs a heading. Okay, so you've got to think of a clever name for your product. So mine was funky case, talking about a pencil case. You've got to think of a clever name for your masks that you're going to be selling. Okay, number two is a description or a subheading. And this tells us a little bit more about what the product actually is. Right, so mine is funky case. Pencil case is made to fit all your essential drawing and writing supplies. Okay, so the name leads you to think it's some kind of case, and then your subheading leads you to think exactly what it is. Okay, then number three is you've got to have a picture of your product in your advert, like the picture I have here, but yours would be then of a mask. Number four is the benefits. So you've got to write 2 to 3 sentences telling why your product is so great. So mine, for example, for the pencil case is, funky case pencil cases don't only look amazing, but they are practical too. You can fit all your drawing and writing supplies. They have 2 compartments, helping you organize and make things easier to find. So my sentences are explaining why you should buy my product. Why is it so great? So when you do that, you've got to sell your masks and tell them what makes them better than other people's masks. Why should the people buy your mask? Step number 5 is to tell the people where or how to buy the product. So you can add a number or an address so the reader knows where they can buy your masks. So for example, on my advert, I said call our offices on, then I made a number and I said that's where they can order. Alright, so you could think of maybe a business's name or a place's name or a shopping center, that you have a shop in a shopping center, something like that. But you've got to put a place where they could buy, or a number that they could buy from. So we're very excited to see what you can do. We also have added a few examples of what your mask could be like. You could print that out, color them in and design your own, or you could just look at the example and draw your own and design it like that. So good luck and do your best.